Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
81 birthday, Lola Tita.
Happy birthday kanunay, amping.
Ayla, happy birthday. Wish you long life and more birthdays to come. Amping Perme, and see you later. Bye-bye. Love you.
Ayla, happy 81st birthday, amping. Isaac Mabadlong. Love you.
Lola, happy birthday. Lola, I wish you good health, Lola. Live long. Okay? Dagan pa kakapo mo ang mag-abot. Love you, Lola. Amping permente. Okay? Happy birthday.
Ayla, happy birthday la nya. Unta tagaan kag mayang lawas, taas nga kinabuhi pa nya. Amping da permila, then mingan ako nimo nya. Kuan la, bisita ko da puhon, busy biya kay ko. Love you la. Lon.
Happiest birthday la, and wish you good health, and I hope God will give you long lasting life, and enjoy your day la. I miss you, and rami po kalugar.
Bye.
La.
Happy birthday la. Tulong nga balik ko.
Ma, happy birthday. Grabe pagtaas ng kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Happy lang, happy tani sa ganang problema. Happy birthday. Wala ako puhod sa imong birthday. Basta naka-great ako ha. Happy birthday. More birthday. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday.
It's your 81st birthday tomorrow.
81 birthday.
And we will all want to get together to wish you a very, very happy birthday. From the bottom of our heart, we hope you live many, many more years. But anyway, we just want to let you know we all love you. And again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you, Ma. Mahal.
Ma, happy birthday. Manginaot ko taga pagtaas ng kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Ug may panglawas. Think positive lang, be happy. Laban lang tani. Love you, Ma. Amping kanunay. Happy birthday.
Nagpunta, Ma. Happy birthday. Ma, salamat kay sa tanan na panahon na wala jud ko naaka. Salamat jud ko nga babon mo pasagdi. So, salamat pud ko nga gitagaan kag taas nga kinabuhi sa atong matataas-an nga Ginoo. O I hope a good health. Strong lang, laban lang kay sa mga tao na ta. Masipyat. So, happy birthday times 10. Happy more birthday. Thank you.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes